Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making pork shabu shabu, a Japanese hot pot dish with thinly sliced pork and vegetables. These are the ingredients. Shabu shabu is more commonly known to be cooked with beef, but we are using pork today, which is also popular as a more casual everyday dish. Thinly cut pork for shabu shabu can be found at Japanese or Asian market. If you can't find it, slice a block of pork as thinly as you can when it's half frozen. For vegetables, we are keeping them simple, but you can add more vegetables or substitute with what you have at home. For ingredients and complete recipe, please visit our website japanesecooking101.com. First, soak the dried kombu in water in a pot for at least 15 minutes while we prepare other ingredients. Cut mizuna into 2-inch long pieces. Mizuna is Japanese mustard green, which has a refreshing mild taste and nice crisp texture. Cut off the end of shimeji mushroom and pull apart into small bunches. Cut tofu into 8 pieces. You can use any kind of tofu you like, soft, medium, or hard. Next, peel the daikon skin and we will grate it to use for the dipping sauce. Pour ponzu sauce in individual serving bowls. Add the grated daikon radish and some shichimi red hot pepper if you like. Now we are going to make the kombu dashi and start cooking. Heat the pot of water with kombu at medium-high heat until the water boils. Then take the kombu out. Turn down the heat to medium-low and add sake. And add tofu and vegetables. Shabu shabu is cooked at the dinner table using a portable gas stove or an electric pot like we are using, and eat as we cook. So make sure everyone is seated and ready to eat. Once the broth starts boiling again, dip the pork into simmering broth until it is cooked through. When we are doing beef shabu shabu, we dip only for a few seconds, but for pork, we should make sure the meat is cooked through. Take some meat and vegetable in a serving bowl with the dipping sauce and eat as you cook. It takes no time to prep and you cook as you eat, so this is a perfect meal for busy people.
美味しい。美味しいね。